All right, today I have a Maserati, and I'm going to show you how to open the hood on this particular Maserati. I'm going to show you how to open the hood so you can access the things underneath the hood, such as washer fluid, transmission fluid, oil, a lot of other things, battery, whatever you want. But before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so I'm inside the vehicle. I'm on a flat surface. Okay, I'm going to make sure the vehicle's in park, and I'm actually going to engage the parking brake as well. So I'm going to press my foot on the brake and then pull up this. The parking brake is now engaged, just like that. And so once it's done like that, I'm going to go ahead and turn off the vehicle. So I'm going to stop the vehicle, and then I'm going to look around towards the foot, and there is a there is a hood latch right down there. But for me to access it with a little bit more ease, I'm going to open the door, and I'm going to come down here, and I'm going to find this, and I'm going to pull this, and you hear the pop, and that is the hood release. And so I'm going to walk out to the front of the vehicle, and once out in the front of the vehicle, I'm going to take my finger, slide it in, scoop it down, and slide it to the left, and that's going to release the latch. Like up like that, and I'll show you the latch I was talking about. I went in like this, slid it like that, and was able to open the hood. Now I have access to all of this right here. I hope this has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching, but also I'm going to tell you how to shut it. So when you're done, you just simply take the hood, slim it down hard, and just like that. And that is how you open the hood and close it as well. I hope this has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.